Hi there! Today we have the newly launched Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo. Now these are neckband designed earphones, and what's special about this is that it comes with 11.2mm bass drivers. It also comes with low latency for gamers, and it can also connect to the Realme Link app to adjust the equalizer and more. Seems really interesting. So let's quickly unbox it and check out its performance. So here is the retail packaging of the Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo. You can see Neo written here, the image of the product. Towards the back, you can see some list of its features. If you look closely, 11.2mm large bass boost drivers, 17 hours playback, magnetic instant connection, 88 millisecond low latency, 10 minutes of charge for 120 minutes playback, and IPX4 water resistant. Below here are some manufacturing details and the MRP, which is 2499, but you can get this for a lot cheaper. Alright, let's unbox it. Wow, that's a nice packaging. So you can see the earphones here. Towards the back, we can see some more things. So we have the user manual, silicone tips of 2 different sizes so they can fit everyone. It's nice to see the yellow accent here as well. And a Realme yellow USB-C to USB charging cable. Let's remove the band and have a closer look at it. Okay. Neckband design, as I had mentioned before, and yellow wires that instantly remind you that it's Realme. The first thing to notice is that they're really light. They weigh just 23 grams, which makes it really light and comfortable to wear even when you're wearing it for long hours. Apart from the weight, I also like to mention that the band is pretty flexible. It's really soft and it's flexible, can be bent in literally any way. It's really nice. 2 capsules, as you can see. This one has the Realme branding as a nice textured design to it as well. The other one actually has the controls. This is the center is the control power button, the volume up and down button, and if you look closely, there's also a microphone here. On this side, you can see there is a USB-C port to charge the neckbands, and if you look really closely, you can see L and R written, which is for left and right. The quality of the earphones look really nice. These are magnetic and they're pretty solid. They're not too weak and they're not too strong, which is good. And the best part is, as you separate them, they turn on. As you bring them closer, they turn off. It's not something new, but still, it's nice to have that feature. There are microphones on the earbuds as well for better noise cancelling for phone calls. And finally, a lot of you would be asking if this label is going to be there. Well, you can leave it, but you can also remove it. It's not going to be a problem. There you go. Clean design. So let's talk about its features. Firstly, they come with 11.2mm bass boost drivers, which should provide good sound. Then they also come with IPX4 rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. So if you're thinking to wear it for a run or at the gym, they should be pretty okay. Then, as I said in the introduction, you also get the Realme Link app support, so you can adjust the 3 preset equalizers, which is really nice. Bass boost, dynamic and bright. Unfortunately, you can't custom set it, but I'll take it. It's better than not having one. Then you can also toggle game mode from the app. Once enabled, the latency is just 88 milliseconds. I played a game briefly and I didn't experience any lag at all. So gaming fans can definitely consider this neckband. The only downside right now is that the Realme Link app for iOS currently doesn't have support for this neckband, but they've confirmed that it will come soon. I also use this to answer phone calls, but frankly I didn't get a chance to explore them outdoors, but indoors it was crystal. There was no disturbance, there was no noise, and the other person didn't have any problems hearing me. Great for Zoom meetings, online classes, and even phone calls. Alright, it's time to talk about that sound quality. Well, the 11.2mm drivers don't disappoint. It's got a nice thump and they sound pretty rich. Only make sure you get a very good seal when you're wearing them. You can interchange them with the buds that are provided in the box. Once you get a good seal, the bass will be really enhanced. Also, because of that equalizer control and volume enhancer in the app, you can tune it as per your preference. It's definitely not going to disappoint anyone. Coming to the battery life, well, a single charge of this neckband will provide you 17 hours of music playback, which is pretty decent, I'd say. But the best part is fast charge. With 10 minutes of charge, you get 2 hours of music playback, which is going to be really helpful. So the Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neos, yes, that's a long name, is a good neckband with all the basic features. It comes with app support, it comes with gaming mode, it comes with excellent sound quality, and it's available in 2 colors, black and blue. We don't have the availability details and the price at the time of making this video, but you can find all those details in the description. I'll also leave the purchase links below if you like to buy them. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.